This is my makeup look from Eid day 1, so let's get ready with me. I'm using this facial mist followed by this Amber Release moisturizer, which keeps my face very hydrated under all that makeup. For concealer, I will be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Too Faced or Tarte ke hisab se, it's a very budget friendly option and it's very good as well. I'm using it to hide my dark circles and the pimples that decided to come out of nowhere literally right before Eid. और एक भी नहीं निकला ना, मतलब 3 4 निकल आए. For foundation, I'm using the NARS. Then again, Camo Concealer in a lighter shade to highlight the under eye area, and then Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder to set the under eye. This product is amazing. Eye look मैंने बहुत simple सी की, liner किया, smudge किया, हल्का सा brown लगाया on lids because I thought there was so much going on in the dress. मुझे makeup बहुत minimal रखना चाहिए. And इसलिए lipstick भी कुछ इस तरह की है. This is the final look. That's it guys. It was quite simple and very easy. I think main vibe balon ki thi. I did these curls with the straightener. I'll do a tutorial very soon, but I think they look like this because I've had a haircut.